In this video, we are going to see how we can easily fix the Google Chrome profile error occurred. A message like this, which says something went wrong. When opening your profile, some features may be unavailable. So how we can resolve that? Pretty straightforward process here, guys. First of all, what we need to do is just write in the start menu, just write %local app data. Make sure you don't give any spaces and end with %, and don't click until it shows you this best match result in the file folder. Just go in here and here just locate the Google folder, just type G or just click on any folder and just type G on the keyboard and it will show you this Google. Go in the Chrome, go in the user data. From here just click on default and just search for web data, simple web data like this one. This is the file. And just right click here and go to more options in Windows 11. If you are not using Windows 11, you will get this delete option directly. So just delete that, just right click and delete that. And after that, just restart your PC in order to make this effective. And you should have no problem in loading the Google Chrome profile. It will hopefully be resolved. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.